Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. It's Ray Fierce here, and today we're back with this beautiful look that I created for you guys on this client. I'm using the Morphe X James Charles palette, and I'm picking up a blue out of that palette, and I'm taking one of my Morphe brushes. I'll have it linked in the description box, or the names of all the things that I'm using, not linked, but I'll have all the names that I'm using. And I'm just taking that and patting that down on the base. The base I used was by Makeup Revolution. It was the lightest shade that they have. I'm waiting on my P. Louise bases. I can't wait till they get here because I feel like they're just gonna cut way better. And yeah, I feel like they're similar, but maybe they're not the same. We'll see when I get them. So now I'm going in with this green shade. Well, not green, yellow. I'm going in with this yellow shade, and I'm blending that on the outer parts of the blue, and I'm taking it very high into the brow. This is a fun, creative look. This is not an everyday look. I wish I would have had the video of the stones when I put the stones on, but I'm sorry I don't. So I'm taking another blue shade, and I'm just packing that shade on to their blue, just to give it some depth, to give it a little bit more darkness. So when you cut that crease, there's depth there. I'm sorry y'all eating Fruities. If y'all never heard of Fruities, y'all need to get y'all some and go try some, because they are bomb.com. They're everything. In our hood, they sell them in the store in a plastic bag, but you might can find them at Walmart or why I'm promoting this. So yeah, you just want to keep on blending. And I'm using that same Morphe brush that I used before with that blue, with the other blue. And now I'm taking the Morphe M421 brush. I freaking love this brush, guys. This brush is every freaking thing to me. I do the brows with this brush. I cut the crease with this brush. I feel like it's a multi-use brush. You can cut the crease with a bigger brush, but I just prefer this one. It's just very thin, and I don't have to do anything to manipulate it or make it thinner. It's just thin. And as you can see, my client has on eyelash extensions, which I prefer clients not to have when they come and get makeup done dramatically, and the eyelash extensions are old or all over the place. So yeah, you just really want to take your time with this. And cut it, girl. Cut it. And I'm just making sure that it's nice and even. And I'm going and packing some white shadow out of that same palette and placing that all over her lid, everywhere where we put that base. So here I'm going in with some glitter glue. I'm using the NYX glitter glue or glitter primer. And I'm taking some glitter that I got from Amazon, and I mixed 2 shades together and customized my own shade of glitter for the look that I was going for today. So yeah, that's what I'm doing. Just packing that glitter on the outer parts. I'm not going to take it all the way in. And then I'm going to go in with some dust. I forget the brand name that I got the dust from. I absolutely love it. I love all the pigments that I got from the brand and the glitters. So yeah, I'm just taking this and I'm placing it all of the parts where we didn't place the glitter. It's called white gold dust, and just so freaking gorgeous. As you can see it flying everywhere, and it's very hard to see on camera, but you can see her lid has a nice shimmery kind of glow. And then I'm going in her inner corners, and I'm taking Fenty Beauty's Trophy Wife, and I'm placing that in the inner tear duct. Now I'm taking my NYX liquid liner, and I'm winging her out. Girl, winging you out. So guys, I'm taking this MAC Strobe Cream in Gold Light, and I'm just running this all over her face because we have to prep the skin. We have to make sure the skin is moisturized. We have to make sure the skin is clean, okay? So after you clean the skin, you want to moisturize it. And I'm using a Strobe Cream to do so. Now I'm going in with primer to just smooth out any lines, any pores that she might have. I'm using my e.l.f. primer. And yeah, I'm just working that in and smoothing it out. Don't be afraid to touch your client's face. It's necessary. And if your client is uncomfortable with you touching their face, then you can just use a stippling brush instead of your hands. But I feel like nothing works the product in like your hands. So now I'm taking the foundation and applying that to the face. I'm tapping that in with a brush. I'm just tapping it in, patting motions, no swiping. I feel like that disturbs the foundation and it makes it streaky. And it also disturbs the primer and moves it around all on your face. So, yeah. Patting motions is the best option. And it gives you the more coverage. So now I'm going in and I'm going to highlight. I am using MAC Pro Longwear concealer to do so. And I'm going to place that on the highest points of her face. I'm using the Real Techniques foundation brush to apply it. You can use any foundation brush that you have. I just like this one because it's nice and pointy. And it just gets into the inner corner great, and it helps me clean up the cut great as well. So yeah, you can use any foundation brush that you would like to use. It really doesn't matter. And you want to make sure that you clean up that line as well where you drew your liner, just so you can have a nice clean precise line. Now I'm going in with another P. Louise brush, and not P. Louise, what I'm talking about then. Peaches and Cream brush. And I'm just patting the same way I did the foundation. Pat, pat, pat. Pat it on out. And you can use a smaller brush to get in the corner if your client is irritated, but mine wasn't. So I just continue to pat the concealer in. And you really want to pat the concealer down because this is kind of like setting the product and also pushing it into the skin. So, yeah. So now I'm going in with my Huda Beauty powder in the shades Blondie, and I'm just pressing that into her skin, tapping it in, making sure that her face is nice and set and we don't have no creasing going on. Ooh, bless you. So now I'm going in and I'm doing the highlights. I'm using my Artist Couture's highlighter, which is my favorite, guys. I love Artist Couture highlighters. Like, oh my god, don't nothing glitter and gleam like these do. They're just freaking amazing. They're a little messy, but they're everything. Okay, hunty. So now I'm taking that darkish bluish shade that we use, the purplish shade, blue purple. Okay. And I'm taking it under her eye, close to the lash line, very close to the lash line. And I'm just blending that across. I also took that blue shade and I also ran that lighter blue shade along the lower lash line, but I don't think I got that clip. But I also put that shade down there as well. So now moving on to the lips. Now that the face is done, I'm going in with a lip pencil and Cool Brew, and I'm just aligning her lips, getting them chiseled, getting them right for tonight. And yeah. And you know, sometimes you have to multitask, so that's what I'm doing. I put her lip liner on. Now I'm about to slap her lash on. While I was putting lip liner on, the lash glue was drying. And yeah, this process is easy when someone don't have on eyelashes, or eyelash extensions a little bit harder when they do, when they're flying everywhere and they don't blend with the lashes. So, and you can't put mascara on lash extensions. You can, but you're not supposed to. I mean, you can if you want to, but you're not supposed to. And I'm so sorry, guys, but towards the end of the video, I forgot to put her other lash on. Her eyes that got water during the process, so I took a lash off to let it dry and then go back in and put it on. But yeah, I like for my clients to look down when I'm putting on their lashes instead of closing their eyes, because sometimes when they close their eyes, the lash can, if you get it that close and that perfect on that lash, it can get on the bottom of their lash and it's hard to open for them to open their eyes, and it's a mess that you have to fix. So yeah, I like for them to look down, but if their eyes are watery, I ask for them to close their eyes. And this doesn't happen all the time. It just depends on the eye shape that the person has. So yeah, I'm placing this lipstick on her lips out of the Anastasia Beverly Hills lip palette. And yeah, I'm pretty sure it's the lightest shade that's in there. Not the white, but the lightest one. And yes, guys, this is the look, hunty. She looking good like a snake, as y'all can see. Look at the lash. It's not on there. What? Oh my god. But she's still bad. At least y'all seen it from both sides. Y'all know what it would look like if the lash was on there. You guys should go follow me on Instagram, because they get all the looks beforehand. So yeah, guys, I'll catch you guys in my next video. Don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to hit that thumbs up. Don't forget to hit that like button. Bye, guys.